Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a really fun spring preview kind of haul. I don't know, am I voguing? That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like is happening. So I partner with GS Love Me, so thank you so much to them for partnering with me to do this video. It is really fun. I'm wearing one of the pieces now. So fun and girly and springy. I'm so excited for spring. It has been dreadful in New York. I feel starved for sunlight. Every time it's sunny, I'm like peeking my head out the window like, get me please. It is just gloomy and dreadful and bleh. And then especially where I live, like my building particularly, we barely get sunlight. We get sunlight for like the first 5 hours of like the morning, like 6 a.m. to 11. I'm sleeping, okay, thank you so much. So I'm like always deprived of sunlight, so this is really fun. That's why I'm wearing this lip color, because it was sunny today and I was like, yes, I need light, I need brightness, I need color in my life. So anyway, let's jump into it. I'm gonna have a little talking box, a little me, on top of me trying everything on, because I'm going to be explaining how I feel about the items, giving you my little review as I'm showing it to you. And I like that setup, and it's just easier for me, more, you know, condensed. Yeah, I'm blabbing now, so let's get into it. So this jumpsuit is really nice and stretchy. It's like that lightweight stretchy material, not like a sweater material, but that light slinky stretchy material. I think it obviously would look better on a taller person, because it hits me like at a weird place. It's like right at the ankles, but it's like wide. It's a really comfortable piece, and I think it would be something I would definitely wear to throw on, like if I'm going to the beach over my bathing suit, just to walk along the beach, or to have like drinks by the beach, or to throw in your purse if you're sometime like just like something during the summer. I feel like I could feel myself wearing it, but I wouldn't wear it as like a full outfit like for a spring brunch, because I just personally don't love how it looks on me, because it does cling to everything, but it's super comfortable. There's no zippers, no buttons, nothing. It just slides right on, and it hides everything, so you're not showing much skin, but it's lightweight, it's comfortable, and the print is so beautiful and perfect for spring and summer. So I'll definitely be throwing it on for like a quick summer outing, or like, you know, getting ice cream by the beach, or like this leopard print dress I absolutely love. I definitely will be wearing this a lot during the spring and summer. This is the kind of outfit that I would love to wear to a brunch again, because in the spring and summer we do a lot of brunches in the city, because it's the best time to go out and obviously sit outside, and there's a lot of nice restaurants in the city where you can be outside, or you're like in a little garden and things like that, and I love to do that during the spring and summer. So this is definitely the kind of outfit I love. My only concern is that it is quite see-through, and the front has like those long slits, so I might have to wear shorts underneath, like a nude colored short, but that's totally fine, because that will also keep me more comfortable, because then my thighs won't be rubbing together. But I definitely will be wearing this dress. I love it. It's so true to size, it's comfortable, and again, it covers everything, but it's still so lightweight that you still feel free. This dress here, obviously you guys know I love. It's glittery, it's gold, it's sheer, it's nude, it's everything. I really liked it. It was really comfortable, really true to size. The only issue with it, of course, is that it's pretty much a naked dress. The mesh part is pretty much see-through. No, not pretty much, it is see-through. So you can see like my nude undergarments underneath, and you can see my bra and everything, so it would be kind of difficult with shapewear. I mean, I would just wear nude shapewear or nude underwear, because I'm not just gonna not wear underwear. But I really loved the dress. I just wish that instead of sheer it was like nude material, but it is a very slinky, very see-through, lightweight material, so it's not particularly, you know, thick. It's actually very thin, and these sequins do kind of bother you on the arms a little bit, but overall I really liked it. I think it's a really great like birthday dress or a special occasion dress. It's very much a club look over the top, which you guys know I love. So this navy jacket I really liked. I thought it was different. The pattern is interesting. It's not something that I would normally go for, but I thought it was different, something that I wanted to try. I like that in the navy checkered portion, this material is actually like a shiny glittery material, so that's kind of fun. It gives a little bit of interest to the jacket. It was a little small, obviously, on my hip area, but it's the kind of thing that you wear open anyway. It does have, you know, strings to tie it, but I think it would be cool with like a white t-shirt and just jeans, like something really simple. It feels more like a fall piece, but I think I might get some use out of it. And then there's this top I'm wearing with the jeans, which I also loved. So this top is freaking fantastic. It's like my favorite thing. I love that right here it's really stretchy. It goes all the way to the back, and then this here is stretchy, as well as right here it has like that peasant blouse look, all of rage right now for spring and summer. I love like little ruffly design here as well, and here go.
I was waiting. I respect.
I like that it's really flowy at the bottom, as you can see in the video. So it just is like that really nice, comfortable go-to summer top to wear with like jeans or shorts or comfy pants for like a brunch look. It's my favorite thing in the summer because you feel kind of naked and you get that feeling of the sun on your skin, but you're also covered, and it feels chic, it feels comfortable. In the city in the summer, like the temptation to be half naked is there, but I don't like that feeling of like being all skin out in the city. It's all dirty and grimy. So this is like the perfect combination of something really lightweight and free feeling, but also covered. Jeans I really liked as well. They're really stretchy, really comfortable. They really fit. These particular pair fit really the size. They were a little tight on my waist area, but they fit pretty true to size because I am a little bit bigger now than a 3X. I can go in between like a 20-22, and these fit like a true 22, and they actually did fit me, so I was really impressed with that. Really comfortable, really like them, and I would definitely recommend them. I like the little rips. It's really cute. Top here is like a little sweater with a hood. I think it's really cute. I like the rips in it. Perfect to go with the jeans. It's just a really simple go-to top. Not much to say about that. I like the little graphic print with the little distressing, and the hood is really cute to wear under a jean jacket. I really like that look for like a casual day with sneakers. The jean jacket with the little hoodie under, but because it's short sleeve, you won't get hot, so it's perfect for spring. That's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. It was super fun, super cute. Loved all the pieces. I will leave everything linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you again to GS Loves Me, and if I have a coupon code and all that good stuff, I will leave it down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to stay glam, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.